Welcome to LTE-M and NB-IoT Internet of Things crash course, powered by Tonex.com. LTE-M and NB-IoT crash course is a 2-day customized LTE training focuses on fundamentals of LTE access technology focusing on LTE-M and NB-IoT. The training course provides an in-depth overview of the various aspects of the new LTE-based radio, LTE-M connectivity and NB-IoT concepts optimized for IoT. Internet of Things, IoT, has demonstrated a clear market need for many utility, power and energy business use cases. Sensors must have battery-efficient connectivity to unlock the true potential of IoT. NB-IoT and LTE-M enable IoT applications today. LTE-M, also known as IMTC and Cat-M1, and NB-IoT are both good connectivity options for industries looking to take advantage of low-power wide-area network (LPWAN) technology. But which is the best choice for your low-power IoT application? Deciding between LTE-M and NB-IoT requires an understanding of the key differences between these two technologies, such as latency and speed. Carefully consider what your needs are before you decide on a solution. After analyzing the similarities and differences between LTE-M and NB-IoT, you can make an informed decision that will set your system up for success well into the future. Audience: engineers, technical and product marketing professional, utility companies, equipment and device manufacturers, security professionals, IoT architects and designers. Learning objectives: list IoT and 3GPP, GSMA, ETSI and ETSI references. Differentiate between 3GPP and non-3GPP IoT standards. Describe 3GPP network characteristics. Describe cellular network architecture and LTE radio and backbone. List LTE radio and backbone features. Learn more about 3GPP standardized IoT features. Distinguish among MTC, IMTC, LTE-M, and NB-IoT. Describe IoT and LTE-M use cases. Differentiate between LTE-M and NB-IoT standards. Explain wireless optimizations techniques and tools for IoT such as power save mode. LTE-M is the simplified industry term for the LTE-MTC Low Power Wide Area (LPWA) technology standard published by 3GPP in the Release 13 specification. It specifically refers to LTE Cat-M1, suitable for the IoT. LTE-M is a low-power wide-area technology which supports IoT through lower device complexity and provides extended coverage, while allowing the reuse of the LTE installed base. This allows battery lifetime as long as 10 years or more for a wide range of use cases, with the modem costs reduced to 20 to 25% of the current ETSI modems. LTE Cat-M technology is one of the two answers that 3GPP has for the rise in IoT-only network technology. Course agenda: overview of basic 3GPP and LTE network terms. 3GPP network characteristics. LTE radio and backbone features. Overview of 3GPP, GSMA, ETSI and ETSI references IoT. 3GPP standardized IoT features. Overview of LPWA, comparison between LTE, NB-IoT, and LTE-M. Overview of LTE-M features. LTE-M architecture. LTE-M cellular technology details. 5G systems and IoT. LTE-M design, implementation, operations and maintenance, O&M, roadmaps. More topics in this training: LTE-M versus NB-IoT, LTE-M wiki, Cat-M versus NB-IoT, LTE-M module, NB-IoT architecture, what are the differences between LTE-M and NB-IoT, LTE, IoT, and more. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about course audience, objectives, outlines, pricing. Visit our website www.tonex.com for more information.